G'day guys, here we are for week 2, WOD 2.1. And guys, to start week 2, we are revisiting the strength WOD from week 1. Now, for those of you who don't know, the way you get stronger is with a phenomenon called progressive overload. Now, what that means is, let's say you squat 60 kilos for 10 reps every week of the year. You're not going to get stronger. You're not progressively overloading by adding weight or more reps to you, and you're not forcing your body to adapt to get stronger. So what we're going to do, guys, we're going to repeat the exact same strength WOD from last week. And if you can safely do so, I want you to add an extra plate and go that little bit heavier than you were last week. That will force your body, your muscles, your joints to adapt and get that little bit stronger. If you are struggling to get to the 10th rep on all 3 sets, that is a good thing. But if you can only get to rep 6, you've gone too heavy, and please go back a plate. But if we started week 1 off at a nice, steady, slow weight that is achievable, we should be able to, in week 2, add 1 plate on each of the exercises and get through our 3 sets of 10 correctly and safely. And as you might have guessed it, we're going to attempt to do this over all 6 weeks. So guys, to force our body to adapt, it should be challenging to get to rep 10 in all 3 sets, but we should be able to get there. If you are only getting to rep 5, 6, or 7, it's too heavy, please go back a plate. So guys, just to remind you, there are 6 exercises. You're gonna do 1 set of 10, you're gonna have 1 minute break, you're gonna repeat that 3 times for exercise 1. Exercise 1 is the leg press. So you'll do 10 leg presses, 1 minute break. 10 leg presses, 1 minute break. 10 leg presses, 1 minute break. You then go to the next exercise, which is a seated row. You'll do 10 seated rows, have a 1 minute break. 10 seated rows, have another 1 minute break. 10 seated rows for your 3rd and final set. Have a 1 minute break, and then you move to exercise 3. And you'll perform every exercise in the same fashion and format the entire way through. Form always trumps intensity. Please be meticulous with your form. 2 seconds out, 2 seconds in. Take your time. We are all at different fitness levels. Try not to go comparing yourself to other people in your gym and what they're lifting. You do you. There are no heroes. All right, guys, enjoy. Peace.